Yes, yama wakwa de Badwam TV bedwem na when go so ahwe na brewie du semde agokensem ansem brema sra kesen koma bet power my born in premier san bet power na watch football matches ne do na ba so you resume European leagues no inti no utwade a also twa bet power so na sika go bottom if say na no pay me director on me party on air na say party we are now the code na brem na say na watch there was say me disque go bottom inti no cameraman e wa hanyina and so I already saw me disque go bottom na watch because EP on e baso matches ne more thing sounds na Spanish La Liga and so Barcelona ne more thing na I was only sika go bottom no na bet power and na watch there obenye sika bet power na bibia akoso na e be sha say if you be mine so ne be pie mo man kan ne ahwen sama akoso no man kan ne sama akoso wo ha ne doso ye papa doso na Sergio Manucho I am a proud producer na no paint and pass me sha say if you be mine so no be pie one kan ne na o sha me sha say na women's under 20 cup toso I will be mine so Colombia na no knockout phase no back where to Ghana matches ne more than ye papa Germany echi Argentina mba no bomb e kanum a wasimu back o sanso na North Korea echi Austria born e kanum amono so team mu aduma kwasiada and a quarter final matches in Beto Ghana and also Muyeti papa na Brazil and in North Korea bano and the Pem so I know Equasia dance also na Netherlands and Colombia host nation among Netherlands and the Pem so also na Japan and Spain so much goes be pimu brutal Spain and Japan emobile and USA and Germany and also emobile papa into no quarter finals match no and as matches in the corner and media amount na enfi Colombia and in franchise from na what we top 5 European fixtures in na baso na more matches na what we there bet power so na so this go bottom na bibia course na enda ini franchise England ni ehwe nsema course ho na EPL matches na what we na nkofofo say Tottenham match no emu be den na so omni Arsenal Teta say den ni players ni bi ho a momuni ho nti expectation so bibia ba for nti ehwe na fixtures no etie Adom na what we na ehwe se na etie na emu be den mobile din say na me kan no Tottenham and Arsenal na dey pay so into na fixtures no EPL fixtures no na yen hwese na mu ebetie na Chelsea ejina kono Manchester ejina kono Manchester City enso ejina kono na yen hwe se na tie e wona wotwe Saturday matches ebeto dwan yes Adom and Manchester United yes goes EBPM Brighton and Wolves Albion and Ipswich Town enso EBPM so Crystal Palace and Leicester City yes Ghanaian interest e wo mu papa Leicester City and Fulham and West Ham yes kudos akodu yeah hwe so be si akan e dia ma na ya hwe se na be cause Arsenal Liverpool and Nottingham Forest and Edinburgh to Manchester City and Bournemouth and so Edinburgh so na Aston Villa and Everton sounds na Bournemouth and Chelsea Bournemouth and Chelsea and twice Semenyo player of the month Edinburgh Bournemouth yes last month no abrante any more than one ko enim ntiene o share Chelsea mananso Saturday o share Chelsea ya hwese na be ko na kwesi ada matches e beto dwa no match of the week Tottenham Spurs any Arsenal some match we mobile din papa na enye under 2.5 and two try now the last go so near hwese na be ko Arsenal Wolves and in Newcastle so at the Pem so ya enfi La Liga EPL near in franchise Spanish La Liga na Real Madrid hwese omanya back to back wins na Barcelona so hwese o mest and league no and I say league long so metimi winning matches draw no match Real Madrid munti ehwe na watch we Spanish La Liga matches Barcelona Real Betis and Leganes and the Pem so Arsenal Real Mallorca and Villarreal and so and the Pem so Arsenal Espanyol Samachi emobile the omne de Deportivo Alaves and the Pem so Sevilla and Getafe face Arsenal Real Sociedad and Real Madrid here win way papa into dodo na hwe say Kylian Mbappe and so be ni nyama na Vinicius Junior and so be ni nyama no Celta Vigo and Real Valladolid and the Pem so na Girona and Barcelona hwe so mest and league no na bibia koso amam Las Palmas so and Atletico Club de Bilbao and the Pem so Naki Williams and ni nuano so hwe say bibia ebe koso amam na Atletico Madrid and Valencia and so the Pem so Arsenal Rayo Vallecano and Osasuna Samachi so under 3.5 into try no actually media amount under 3.5 Salas na ana 3.5 ni nyina baso wo bet power na Spanish La Liga baso no na make say German Bundesliga no so baso na ni nyina matches ni emoyedin nti eno ene dia mede ma woni enda ni fa chensen fufuro mu na yem pro man Ghana mu ne hwe nsema ekoso nche na CAF de beto Ghana ni mu say Papayara Sports Stadium no yetimi nyusu esan say yema bi wo ho wo say peyfo hwe no mu ye ni ye eno na head coach Adom the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana Otto Addo edinenum ensem atudwa afasa ansem ne ho.
So first of all, I think if it comes like this, and this is how it looks like, it's really a pity. Surely we always love to play in front of our home crowds, but at the end of the day, we have to do the best out of the situation. And if we have to play somewhere else, then it's like that. I don't want to use my energy to think too much about that because it's not in our hands. There's nothing we can do about it. It's a tough decision, and we have to do the best about it. But I hope that if we won't be able to play at home, that we quickly manage all the things. And that so that we can play at home as fast as possible. And for
Sano and coach Otto Addo Black Stars head coach Ade Atujana that's so ewa sensem na Dreams FC head coach Aya Karim Zito also a former international Ade Atuja say in some course we dey in Gwase Ade Mama in Ghana.
It shouldn't have happened because when you come to Africa and we talk about football, I think Ghana stands tall. And then when you go into the coaching itself, factors affecting performance. The field is a major part of factors affecting performance. And these boys we are using are used to this type of fields outside, and so when they come here, they feel very uncomfortable, afraid of injury. And then look at the goal scored against us. It was, if the field were to be a good field, maybe he wouldn't have missed this kick. He would have had it all right. And then, because when you see the intention, the ball just bounced and then you couldn't make it. So I say this is, to me, I'm okay with that, with this decision by CAF.
Okay with the ban?
Yes, because this will help us to do things better. Because it's like today we go to Papayara, we play, the next time trouble. Today we go to Papayara. If this alone, we made them stand up and then make sure we had a good first.
Yes, since I'm from Mono and China, Ghana Premier League players me no down anyway near FC Barcelona team B na Abdul Aziz so and David Odro na enra omo de nsema to just say your money so esa your money je esa na eni nyina mo dream nyina ne se ombebo FC Barcelona yen hwe nsema players here the tuja ene nsema and on in some copy more na watchy and na we FC Summer Test 1996 and so Ejina CAF Champions League no amone Raja Casablanca e wa Accra Sports Stadium no e kwesi ada nyame adoma ne 3 p.m. live Swatamai and so ne FC Constantine and so e wa Accra Sports Stadium and no e CAF Confederation Cup na no match ne mobile team into Swatamai patches e free gate to be live e also be a better match na BBB e course na yen na watchy Ghana Premier League match day 2 paso Kumasi Asante Kotoko entimi mbo if so na money nso atwamai na de bepen so entimi emba so na yen hwe folk na watwe also mo wini na bibibia ekoso emom Legon Cities any media ma de bepen so ewo University of Ghana Sports Stadium na watwe wi emube din ochina na match na ba so kosiara match say ba so ni Young Apostles and Nations FC Basake Holy Stars so mo bo haso folk akaba kono omni Dreams FC and de bepen so Brekum Chelsea and Karela United so na Brekum United James United and Adriana FC Edeba Premiso Southna Heart of Lions Heart of Lions the Bobologic Boys at Rakpando Sports Stadium and they across the folk never say die until the bones are rotten Eba Premiso Samachi has to folk for a here win Heart of Lions so I say Machimwa at least Oman Nukra and draws Southna Accra Lions and Vision FC and Edeba Premiso I know any matches and I'm my weekend here baso our Ghana Premier League match day 2 and I baso and in the fancha humantona mene Patrick Osei Ajiman Songo stake Patrick Osei Ajiman obeti my friend Countryman Songo otimi kana no pay me ma watching
Bibiaboko
Fireman
Bibiaboko otimika
Fire. Yes. Yes. Udem. Fire. Bibi aboko there.
Yeah, yami so be fine.
More fire. And then Songo steak.
Yeah, medical actually Ghana Premier League. League, it needs sponsors. League, Sika Bay and Umudiama teams, and as Sika Bay is a league, a promoting league, and it's say clan almost see ton league, more ton league, more promoting league, as every we many results, achievement, pan say, every way, must say football club. It says I wasn't coming to me improving football. I'm a football to me, economy more Ghana. Mama football a perform. Your local football a perform. Your national football just one perform. Now local league, and I'm medical engineer. League national say you go week 2. Headline sponsor away. Sponsor to sponsor league, Headline sponsor Sika Kesia sponsor league ever. So the FA or Juma with all these departmentals are more including more marketing department. Marketers in the day no deba. And one partners. One money partners. Sika say no deba, product say no deba. More declare even the product name, whatever partnership I am ever. So your football to bottom their benefits. And then also and they have Ghana no. Say national teams here. Team mobile ye. Blasters enko ye nyina any competition nyina a local footballer team and the talent is here. The talent is here. Local league need here attention because the talent, local league need here attention. Talent, players, Ghana. I will here just the push to make sure that Ghana football, local football, excitement is a need here. Any good players able to make people free. But when the attention, just very low. I mean, your more league ni be keke ni enchele say oh yeah football, but the attention in Uncle Blasters. Na you try and draw. You try say oh calf say wa bande a stadium. You need baby a ball. Na you kwabru tiri ni ko siska. Na so that mu benya bia di mu pocket mu be ma. Because you need park bobo Ghana ha the Equabri. How many times? Any World Cup? 4 times. Sika say me how many 50-60 million going. You're out of the 4 World Cups ayako. But mobile no much is Kennedy with authorities. Or mobile no much is Kennedy. Numbi nyanis umbi nyomo diedi. But say football no ebe develop impuntu about football no. And we have to charge the FA or say keep your money on their toes. Momu say football no mo yegu mo boto mo kwano e ha Ghana for. You hear your local league, the talent in the local league. You hear good local league. Sponsorship sika wom. Motivation in womb what teams you try refiska yes the refiska not bad officiating. I mean you turn local league you turn local league local league I shot here week 1 and go for umuka local league baby umu machines machines umudika local league cameras papa bi umudika local league who the first round of the local league matches. League I shot here, first round matches are coverage, bye-bye. I mean TV right owners. Sika sen umutimi di buyer, ebe bua teams no mobile chama teams no. Ye di she local league. Why you mubi bia basa na ase mu fa obi aho ni amani abria ne national team blasters mo de beye mu agency players ni amani abria ne association no to get the I mean the benefit mu be running association no e de agu mo bottom. Why is a football bit me up pija mu be ma football na pija no mu timi hwe sa de e bad fire benefit no fire benefit no everywhere the woman achievement more resource way more achievement more resource me jina so say oh ye football here or see who is super the results and you don't have it. National teams are no money na local leagues so kuto sa will form to the sense that you are even afraid some will be local players and they are competing foreign based players or more blasters. Meanwhile, for foreign based players, even Niger foreign based players against Comoros Zimbabwe say Mozambique these foreign based players are blasters match. Meanwhile, your talent with local league, your players with local league, your local league, we will call them and we will fighting position. I'm a national team net man, but local league, Basa, and Yaboa with no headline sponsor. Tika Yadibo local league anyway. The FA must be serious, and also making sure say, I mean, you're selling your football out with that. Bad coverage amount for picture so many homophones so many infidel one money kuta TV right in the situation no buy local league in headline sponsor way omuni achievement every video omu kuto basa kankan omuni achievement here no results and also keep you on their toes and fire them all the time professional no mutimu who say yes Ghana for you pay football here. And international football as well, and find no more benefit. Why is the general public, so far? A local league, also local league, also the headline sponsor. This is here, every local league, manasa, every local league. Near which a local league, so you're pen international, you're pen ye, and tinye, cameras, phobia, and incophobia, phones, and local league need to Ghanaians. And to the world, what is this? One minute TV coverage, you owners. The bad. Poor local league and Umasta week 2 na econo. Local league need publicity. Local league needs to local league need attention from the authorities and they are bad. They have to change their ways. No say they say football only achievement. They have to also work it towards achievement and as a result. Oh yeah, Juma, you have to also your results. The local league need sponsor and also send allowances. They have to work very hard to make sure the headline sponsor Sika Ghana local league. Yes, here 1 p.m. and every day. Me and 1 p.m. I do TV fire for fire.
Sure.
More fire.
Yes. Songo Steak, Patrick Osayajiman, obetimi a friend, countryman Songo. Fireman, and Dudwana, so Eddie Freno, Ninka, and I'm our channel, and Ghana Goodiem, also Argentina, and it's 85 days. Na election, no air so Kokrobonti Power election headquarters, and no any multimedia cameras, say Adom TV, Semper FM, Shire FM, Adom FM. YouTube, your online portals, and your Fabibia, your Kuso Kyle, say your election headquarters. Yes, Odia now, dear Sam. Now, sorry, so now, Sister Fia at the health tips air to us. Sister Fia, we are now exclusive. No, I'm say, yeah, no fear, you took one fan, you call Azim, Sister Sandy P. A guy. I was exclusive, Bray, at the Maya, and Tino and Timo Fidio, no, and Fia, if said, no, I'm say, a Subaye there, a Subaye to Azim, and I had the FE broad now. BBA so I said I can see and come bed power and I no pay so much sense I mean for go same answer my brother happy birthday so and come my cameraman back where multimedia Hanum Christopher Nyankopon enhira ye papa nyamehira na onto nkwa dem we fi multimedia and after so camera department ni nyina and see informa na nyamehira so department makwa de pia amo share Adom TV Apple event yes ope bibia wo na ope nkofo so mba beboa wa Apple event almost de bia o fidie no da Adom TV nyakopon so enhira mu ye papa ha ene brama mo kwa na mede agokensem na si St Phillips na shamentade de bia na ope o hwo mo ye circle oda no woni ye de kirewa na bibia akoso mamdin atinyame ba Bernard Padibotre